Alright, welcome back everyone. My name is Ryan and I'm the content creator for East to West, West to East. And today we're going to be actually putting on the rock sliders from WarFab. We're set up today outside in the yard. We got the passenger slider all set up and we're going to get that on the truck. Oh, blue. I say hi? Okay. So also today helping is my older brother Troy, who's also been on the channel before. He's going to be the guy who makes sure this doesn't fall on me while I'm underneath it. So tools today that we know of so far is going to consist of jack stands. I have a hydraulic lift if we need it.
And Troy.
What's that?
And Troy.
And Troy. Troy's also going to be a tool that we're going to be using today. For the most part, I think that we're going to be able to get it without using the jack, but we will see what happens. So we're going to start lifting up on this and we're going to put it up on the jack stand as it goes up. Alright. So go ahead and grab a jack stand. Lock it in. Lift it up. Jack stand right there. Alright, and then I'm going to go underneath it, I'm going to roll it up, and I'm going to start pinning it in. Son of a shit. Whatever. You want to hand me my bag of nuts while I'm underneath there? Hello everyone, now I'm underneath the truck. We have... Wow, yeah, so we took a look at this and it turns out we actually have to remove a bolt for the, for one of the... Oh, I almost just rolled off the plywood. Oh man.
That'd be me.
So we have to remove a bolt that is on the cross member that holds the... We have to remove a bolt that holds the cross member that has the U-joint on it. Once we remove that, we'll be able to actually set it directly into the rock slide. So we finally got the last of the bolts in on the actual main portion of the frame. So the rock slider itself is actually freestanding now.
We used the carriage bolts to go straight through on a couple of different locations throughout the bottom of the frame, and that's what's holding it.
What's going on, everybody, and welcome back. Yesterday we were able to get the passenger side slider mounted to the truck. We used a 14mm bolt from the cross member to hold that in place. We were able to countersink at least one of the bolts into the holes, and then we just kind of left it because we got rained out. So I'm out here again this morning to take care of this side, and now that we know how it fits up, we're going to go ahead and do the other side too. So I'll move the camera underneath and we'll take a look at it and go from there. Alright.
So looking at the bottom or the back side of the frame rail, you can see where the mounting points are for the WarFab rock slider. The most important one to hold out on is this cross member bolt, which is right here, and that actually ties right into the cross member that's attached on the universal, and then from there there's a couple more frame mounts as you go backwards. It's a pretty simple design, everything bolted directly right in. There are these spots for carriage bolts to go in here and here, and there's these frame plates, and they bolt right in through the carriage bolts. So we're going to get a couple of those countersunk so it actually will hold right on to the frame rail and pinch it into place. So it's just one more extra protection point. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get that started right now. Alright everyone, so we got the passenger side slider on the truck. Completely lined up, completely met up. It's sitting at the 20-degree pitch like we talked about in the preview video. This thing looks awesome. Sitting exactly the angle we wanted. We did get the kick out on the back. Already got a little bit of mud on it. Sitting mounted up to the frame. Super clean. Doesn't sacrifice really any clearance. It's super solid and on there. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and get started on the driver's side. There you have it. We have both the driver's side and the passenger side slider on. Super stoked with the way those came out. Truck looks great. Can't wait to try out this protection and actually get it out on some trails. Pretty soon we'll get the lift kit in, we'll get the tires on, and little Red will be really building up. As always, I appreciate you checking out the video. Today we actually got an install done, which is awesome. Plan on having multiple more coming up in the future. I look forward to doing more of these. Thank you. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think. Have a good one.